Okay, so here we are. Today we are going to continue working on our starter project. So last CS first class, we started working on our starter project. There were sprites already added over there. Many of us kept the same sprites. Many of you changed the sprites. That was quite amazing. So today we are going to continue working on that same project. So how to continue working on a starter project. So this is my dashboard. I am a student. Okay. So now in the left hand side you see projects menu over here. So when you click on projects menu, you will see that in my projects I only have project 1, that is my starter project. So I'll double click on this starter project and it will get opened in a new tab. Once it is opened, you will see there is a grandma superhero, there is a building with a bird on it, and there is a small star object. And as you all know, we have clicked on heroes, that is the grandma superhero, and we had coded this much. Okay, so this was the starter project that you had to complete. Now, to continue working with that, let us add one more sprite or one more hero. Okay, so that one more, that extra hero can be anyone. Okay, you can click on this kitten like icon in the bottom right corner. See over here there is called surprise. So when you click on surprise, let's see what happens. Surprise is they add any hero or any sprite of their choice. Okay, so if right now we don't want a lion, so let's delete it. Now when I click on this kitten like icon and I click on this search icon, I see all the sprites that are given over here. So I can add any of the sprite from here. There are so many things over here. I can add any of these sprites. Okay, so many different kinds of sprites are here. Or I can also go back. Okay, click on this heroes option and click on costumes option. When I click on costumes, there are different hero costumes that are given to you. This is a teacher, this is a coach, this is a disabled man, this is a dog. There are so many heroes that are given to you, so you can change your hero into somebody else by clicking on. I'll show you once again. This was the hero that uh, okay, let me go back. Okay, this was the hero that was added by default by your starter project. Click on heroes, click on heroes sprite from here in the sprites pane, and over here in the top left corner click on costumes, and then you can change your hero from here. Isn't it quite amazing? Yeah, you can also copy it and paste it, whatever you want to do. Okay, now back to the code. Suppose I have changed this to a small boy. I can add a different sprite. I can also upload a sprite. I can also create a sprite using paint tool. I can create a sprite using upload sprite option. I can add my own picture over here and I can be my own sprite. Okay, so for now I want to add a different sprite like this. Suppose I want to add this one. Okay, so I'm adding a different sprite altogether. Okay, and I want to have both of them a discussion between them or a conversation between them. Okay, so you can click on the newly added sprite over here in the sprites pane. Okay, and then you can start clicking on you can start adding the events block and the looks block also. Okay, so this time we are only going to use event block and say block or the looks block. Okay, so what you need to write over here, that is for you to think. Okay, it can be anything, it should be a dialogue between them. Okay, so all the best and uh, do well.